Okay, so today is the 4th of July 2025. So, as I'm about to pack this barrel, I'm preparing to send this off for my dad's funeral. I might not post this right now, but I'm just recording. So, I purchased 100 bag of rice, 100 pound of rice, because I'm not like this is. Okay, somebody come for me. So someone came and drop off them partner money. So let's go back to business now. Alright, so me love cook rasta pasta. Me and woman love me rasta pasta, right? So me buy macaroni, and when me make the rasta pasta here, them I go talk about it. Me buy mixed vegetable for put in a me rasta pasta. So I'm buy there. So I go pop barrel and show you how I pop barrel around here. Okay? This is just for the funeral, because I not keep nothing else. That's it. 100 pound of rice. Cooking oil, fried chicken. If you fried chicken, buy that your lemonade something, you buy 50 pound of sugar, 25 pound of flour for fry the chicken. Buy something for scour pot and them something there. Buy like a decoration. Buy fork. The container them downstairs same way. And napkins. So let's show you now how I do this thing. So today is the 4th of July. I'm now going to hear a whole heap of noise in the background here. Alright, so just needed to pack at a sturdy area. So, you know, when I pack my barrel, I like to put, I don't put no clothes down in the bottom of the barrel. No, because this I go straight, which part the funeral I go keep. So I'm not put no clothes in there. The cardboard is enough there already. So what I want to do is put the rice. So these are 25 pound rice, see them? Jasmine rice. Costco. Kirkland brand. Good rice. So this is how I do them. I make them stand up. Put this in there. Right. So that's set at the bottom. That's set in at the bottom there. Them something here. Vegetable, so they seal. Nothing with them. Drop them in the corner. where the corner them there. Let's see them about. Here are napkins. I'm gonna look for a couple pieces of clothes and try tuck it in at the corner of them. Yeah, because we have clothes and some open area there where I don't want to waste. So let me pause this circle. I'm gonna look for clothes. So I find some of my old blouse them but I now wear now. But they look pretty good. Now what is this? This wasn't. Oh yeah, see them now wear this. This even have one tag. I don't even know what this is. It's a dress. Oh, I buy it, but it was too big. I don't know who I will get that. Put them down on there. I saw people for pop barrel. I did that. I have them. I go wear them one time. I don't even wear them going away. I just try them on. And do video in them. Try them on and do video in them and I use them back. We don't wear them going away. And then can cook in it. Yes, sir. What a piece of kusho. Alright, I'm gonna come at my show now. We're going up in a barrel here. So you see, this is how make sure so I don't waste my space. But if every something them go on this. Yeah. Let's see if I find any more clothes. So this one I've never worn it. No, but you did rinse out and end up in my closet. This I wear it one time and a name brand this. One time I wear it. This, yeah, I wear this a couple times. But me need like a cushion. I need some things to take up. Space. This is too big for me. I've never worn it. A long sleeve still, but can't wear it at Christmas time. And then this, never buy it. You know, I wonder if I could have carry this, go take it up. You know, come to think about it, I will carry this, go take it up. Cause I don't know who this will fit. I carry that, I just make up. Just make up because the one first one I think it would have fit. Then I wear then something there. Too big for me. Let's put the flour in now. Sugar we need. Yeah, sugar and the flour go in. Okay. Let's see how this is going to go now. Da-da-dee-da-da. So, my thing is, never need Ziploc bag to put anything in her. But guess what? I can't put them in the box then. So, I'm going to throw them in here. And then just have to put them aside. Right in a shop right there, they get on sale. 10 come in a them. $1.70. $1.79. I pay for them, then they get on sale. Normally I like maybe $4 for one. Or $3 enough. Yeah. So we need them garbage bag here. Them big enough. Okay. So big them is they're huge. This are one. Like when they eat, I have to hang them up places when they eat, then throw the box them in there. Them here, I have to go empty them in a bag. Back them over to take up too much space. I want the barrel to hold. Will save them. Yeah, we need to get another bag. Hold on there. Let the plastic bag them burst, you save it. You save them from that way. Yep. Alright. Okay. That's empty. These are balloons. I need a little pump. I have one decoration pump. I need to go look for it to carry it. So, now I have some decoration in there, so. The box there, a toothpaste. I need this to tie up a balloon. So you see, we're well prepared. Alright, so guess what now? You see? You see that? The bag here? I'm going to put a little Vaseline in there, just in case with our country I need some. That not do it. Yeah. Not do it. You know, flour jar smell, so I'm not put no soap in there. You know what? Toothpaste can't eat. Vaseline can't eat. But let me put them on top. Now I take the chance. Jar the smell of the flour. Alright, let's do this. Let me put them here in there. Same way. Alright, I think I'm gonna need like a piece of clothes. Look at 2 more pieces of clothes stuck up in a corner. Alright, so some of them have some beach cover up. Never wear them. This is a palazzo pants. I never wear them. Them new. But I rinse them out. Rinse them out and have them in a drawer. But when I go do it all of them all day, there's space there. We cannot make them just go in up. Look there, look how far that gone down. We can't make them just go in a vein, go in vein, so you have to pack something in them. You know what I mean? So very must pack. You can't waste the space. It's a nice pants, you know. I like it, you know, but kind of look tight up on my leg. You know, it's a nice. I love them pants here. I buy it to carry on my trip. But I never like how it feel on my leg. So, too tight up on my leg. Space they empty. I'm gonna look something more. I'm gonna put 2 toilet paper in there, so toilet paper. Toilet paper to use a country. Okay. Necessaries them in here, so the necessaries. Now put nothing, but you don't need another barrel here. Figure it out. Me and my friend now, and me know he with that. Me and my friend them one time. Yeah. Paper. Scour. Then I push up the oil. I'm not be the rag, you know. Then me a dishwash. Then me have to wash up. Then a rag. Kitchen rag. Then me have. Just need cushion. Dishwash. Dish towel. Some table cover just in case we need them. That's good. piece. No push part me there now. See that? Me a go on. Yep, me a go on, man. Me there go on. Yeah. Okay, why not? The vinegar then. Let's see. Somebody want one toothpaste. Take two. These are the things though. Okay. Whatever stuff leave right here, so whatever stuff leave right here, so I'll go in at the box. So me buy my duct tape here for tape up my commercial bin. I have one wall or something in all the way down there, so but I close. So like the plate them, the lunchbox, the fork, the spoon. Yeah. You know? The napkins, them whole heap of napkins. So I can't hold that so fast. So them 3 back there, and them now going at the commercial bin for my niece them. Yeah, them are going at the them for my niece them. Yep. I go upstairs now, go pack some things to my trip. I have some paper plates, so could help them here. Not like that, not that good. I buy the plastic black, you know the black plastic lunchbox them with the cover, them I buy for the funeral. So like the night, you know the night when we did it, and we have a cook like a goat head soup and so. Now I really have no setup like that. Just like a family, my father. Now I have no family, me no know nobody for my father. So me and my mother side of people them now, I go hang out. Yeah, me and my mother side of people them, I go hang out. And then in the night we can use them like a paper plate here, you know? And cook like a curry chicken and white rice. We can use them there. So see all of them are left right or so. And there for my niece them. I have 2 little niece down there. And my sister passed and leave. Me I go clean up now. So if I reach this far in the video, thank you very much. I need somebody to sit down on top of this. After I put that on it and help me to lock it. You know, I have to lock it today. Can't lock it another day. Yeah, that's just it. See? Mess. I gotta have book sign. So Madonna's them have a little pop-up shop. What size is this? I send one of them for my auntie. That I feel she deserve it. That's it. I have one whole heap of something down there so I always for going at the big bin. So pop me a pack later. Bye guys.